Hi, I'm Dr. Summers with Meridian Chiropractic. I want to talk to you today about a common condition that we see come into the office. It's called plantar fasciitis, and that's pain on the sole of the foot. We want to talk today about what some of the reasons that happens and some of the things you can do to help fix that. So what is plantar fasciitis? Plantar fasciitis is there's a plantar fascia that goes from the heel to the toes in the sole of the foot, and that sometimes gets inflamed, and it could be through trauma or through some misalignments that we'll talk about. The common place is in the heel, but you can really get it anywhere within that plantar fascia. So what we need to do to fix that is to kind of break up that inflammation. So one thing you can do at home is to get a ball. It's called a plantar fascia ball. You can get it online or on Amazon. And what you're going to want to do is put that on the floor. You're going to want to go to the painful site and you want to put pressure into that. And you're going to roll it all around. If the whole sole of the foot hurts, you're going to do it on the whole sole of the foot. If it's just the heel, just the heel. But everywhere that it hurts, you need to really get in there and work it out. It's painful, but it's not going to get better if you don't get the right areas. So put a lot of pressure into it, and you'll do this every day, okay? And that's going to help break up that inflammation and give your body the best chance to get rid of it. So the second thing you can do is a frozen water bottle. So after you do that treatment with the ball, you're going to then have a frozen water bottle. You're going to put pressure in that, and you're going to roll it back and forth. It gives you a little bit of a numbing because of the ice, but it's very therapeutic, and it's going to help. What the body is really great at controlling inflammation. For some reason, it's a little slower at inflammation in the foot. So this is going to help speed that up. We showed you what you can do at home with the ball and the ice. Sometimes that's not going to be enough to control that situation. So there are some things that we can do here in the office. The first thing that we do, I mentioned that misalignment is a problem, and that would be a pelvic misalignment, hip, knee, ankle, or foot misalignment. Sometimes those joints get twisted. We need to fix them to control the problem. So adjusting is something that we can do in the office. We can then use our fingers and we can dig in there and help break up that inflammation. The inflammation is between the fascia and the muscle. So we can feel that and we can help break that up. We use the instrument, the arthrostem, to help break that up. And then we recommend doing that a couple times a week. And then every night you want to go through, or every morning, whichever, you want to go through and use the ball and the ice to help control that as well. You can call and ask about is called dry needling. Dry needling is really good with plantar fasciitis as well as other inflammatory conditions. So call and ask about dry needling.